Today is long division. 265 divided by 9. Now, what is different about this video compared to the other long division videos is that we are going to go over 3 different problems.
3.
Please stick with me as we go over the 3 problems, and Mrs. DeBruyne is in the background. Okay, so 265 divided by 9. You ask yourself, can 9 go into 2? It cannot. Well, how many times can it go into 2? 0 times. Please make sure that you place your 0 up above. It is a place value holder. Noticing that the top is multiplication, and down here we're looking at division. 0 times 9 equals 0. Keep in mind that if Miss Chamberlain is doing all of these modes and saying all of these words with her finger, it is probably good practice for you to be doing the exact same thing. 2 minus 0 is 2. Once again, 9 can't go into 2. We need reinforcements. Bringing down the 6. And now it is 9 into 26. How many times can 9 go into 26? Well, that would be 2 times, subtracting 18. We're going to borrow. And our subtraction problem has given us 8. 9 cannot go into 8. Please make sure you're asking yourself that question, because if for some reason it could go into this number down here, you have done something wrong and should start again. We need more reinforcements, and now we're pushing on to 85. I'll place a 9 up above because 9 times 9 equals 81, with 4 left over. 9 cannot go into 4, and there are no reinforcements. If I have 3 numbers here, I should have 3 numbers here, including the place value holder of 0. My answer is now 29, remainder 4, or 29 and 4/9. Let's move on. Here is another sample. I hope that you are putting this on your paper and copying with me. Can 7 go into 2? It cannot. How many times? 0 times. I place the 0 up above, remembering that this is actually a turnaround fact, and this is going to be the multiplication. 0 times 7 is 0, and I am subtracting. 2 minus 0 is 0. 7 cannot go into 2, and so we need reinforcements. Now I'm looking at 7 into 20, not 7 into 0, but we're looking at this whole number of 20. That would be 2 times. 2 times 7 equals 14. I am subtracting to get 6 left over. 7 can't go into 6, so I did it properly, bringing down the 1 for reinforcements. 7 into 61. That would be 8 times. 7 times 8 equals 56. Make sure that you borrow. 7 cannot go into 5, and there are no reinforcements. I have 3 under, 3 above. My answer is complete. 28 remainder 5, or 28, here is your numerator, here is your denominator. Your numerator is not always 5, your denominator is not always 7. However, if you look in these 2 problems, it's always in the exact same place. And on to our last problem. 5 into 4. It cannot. I'm placing the 0 up above. 0 times 5 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 0, or equals 4, excuse me. I might even pause right now and try the rest of this problem on your own, and then hit play so you can actually see whether or not you did it correctly. Keep in mind that 3 problems over the weekend will probably not be enough practice for you. You may want to talk to mom and dad and see if they can work with you on a couple of problems. Have them give you some samples, look through it. You might even get online like Khan Academy or any other website. Focus on this. It is very important for this unit and for the rest of your life. Can 5 go into 4? No. I need reinforcements. I bring down the 0. 5 into 40. That would be 8 times perfectly. 8 times 5 equals 40, subtracting, which would give me 0. Just because I have 0 here does not mean I'm finished. 5 doesn't go into 0. I only have 2 up above and 3 down below. Therefore, I need to bring in reinforcements, which would be 7. 5 into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5 with subtraction, remainder of 2. I have 3 answers here, and 3 below, which means that my answer is now done. 81 2/5, or 81 remainder 2. Best of luck this weekend.